Hi, don't you just love Amazon Prime, guys? I ordered this before I went to bed yesterday, and I got back from work and it was already waiting for me. These are packing cubes, and I'm excited because it's finally holiday season for me. I'm finally going on holiday, guys. I feel like it's been a lot already. From January to March, it's been too much, but yeah, glad to be taking a break. And I ordered these so I can, you know, pack as usual, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like eventually when I put things in it. I got a new one because I have things in the other packing cubes that I have and I do not want to empty them, so this will come in handy for anytime I want to go on a short trip. It's pink. I'm not sure why it's looking like peach in this picture, but I will show you when it's eventually in my box and all sorted.
The next day.
Hey guys, Faith here. So my life is about to get interesting because holiday season is fast approaching. It's a Saturday and it's the last weekend before my holiday starts, so I'm trying to make the best use of it because by weekend I'm out of Brisbane and I will not have time to do any other things. So I'm trying to make good use of today, and first on my list is of course to go to the mall. I have a couple of errands to run, a couple of things actually, to be personal items to pick up from the mall, and I also want to just start up this vlog because I don't know when it will go up, but I have a couple of things I have to pack. I have to buy a few things. I have to get my hair ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna put all my travel prep in this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. So yeah, let's head off to the mall. I also want to go to Orange Sherbet today. Yeah, I really want to go to Orange Sherbet. I haven't been there since the store was redecorated, so I will be going there from the mall, and I will be showing you guys what Orange Sherbet looks like at the moment. So if you love dresses like this, I'm currently wearing a dress from Orange Sherbet. I will probably show you a full look later, but I'm wearing a dress from Orange Sherbet. I really love their dresses. They're so free, the floral designs are beautiful, and it's just very comfortable for me. So I will be taking you guys with me to Orange Sherbet as well, and yeah, a few other things that I get up to. If that seems like something you'd love to see, then definitely keep on watching. Open the front door opened the front door and found this outside at the door. I just brought it in, but I have to still head out immediately. If it's what I think it is, I will show you guys once I'm back and ready to unbox it. It's actually pertaining to my travel as well, so yeah, I will show you guys once I'm back from the mall and let you guys know what it is. Alright, so done from the mall, and we made a quick stop back home to drop the items I picked up from the mall and to also drop the items that needed to go into the fridge immediately. We will head off to Orange Sherbet now, okay? So I'm also grabbing my hat because Orange Sherbet is really close to the beach, and if I know James, he's gonna want us to stop by.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby.
Hey guys, so if you've watched my previous videos, you'd remember Redcliffe also has like a Sunday market which holds here. So it's a Saturday today, so it looks quite empty, but tomorrow, which is a Sunday, you'll get a Sunday market just on this side of the road. And I just passed Orange Sherbet anyways, but I just wanted to show you guys. So if you come here on a Sunday, you'll see like a Sunday market all on this road down to the end. But yeah, let's go into Orange Sherbet, okay?
Few inches later.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Eventually.
week from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe.
So we're done shopping and we're currently just taking a walk along the beach. It is so beautiful today.
Deserve to see the world.
Someone's just fishing over there.
So tell me, baby, where would you like to go?
Beach will always be my happy place. Like, I totally love it.
Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise.
The next day.
Hi, so let's do a quick unboxing. I opened it already and I remember I promised to open it with you guys, but yeah, this still works. I will just show you what's inside. But before I do, I'm not sure how I ended the video yesterday, but after Orange Sherbet, we went to the beach, did a bit of walk on the beach, and then went to have dinner. We went to North Lakes. I haven't been to North Lakes before. It's a suburb in Brisbane, which isn't bad at all. I enjoyed looking around, but it was at night, so I really didn't see much. It had like beautiful mountain view. The mall is really big. It's as big as Chermside, I think. It's really big. It has like a cinema. It has everything in there. But yeah, let's do a quick unboxing of what's in here. So first is this swim caps, because yeah, like I said, holiday is coming up and I will probably be doing a bit of water activity, so I got this swim cap to protect my hair for when I get into the water. And I got this decorative things for my crops. It's 100 pieces and I am so loving all the characters in here. It has a lot of characters, 100 different characters. I'm looking forward to putting them on my crocs. And this is what I'm most excited about, guys. It's a luggage cover to protect my boxes. The box I currently have is not the material kind, so that means it will scratch if it's not handled with care. So I got this because I wanted to last me a long time, obviously, and to protect the body from scratching. I opened one already and this is what it looks like. I got these things from Amazon, by the way, and they have very beautiful designs. This is the one that will get to me as quick as possible. The ones I really love were coming from the US, and yeah, I wasn't ready to wait and not receive it before my holiday starts. So yeah, this will come in handy and then I can order for the other ones later. But yeah, this is really nice. Do you use luggage covers for your boxes? Does it actually protect your boxes? I think that's the main question. But yeah, I'm happy to try this out and to see how it works. I also promised to show you guys the packing cubes, but I haven't packed yet, so I can't do that at the moment. But I promise to show you guys how the packing cubes come along once those are sorted. It's a Sunday and I want to join the NSPPD service online. I've been listening to that for a while now and I have enjoyed it so far. It gives me that Nigerian service vibe. So yeah, I've been enjoying that, and I will have lunch first before I join the service. I've probably missed like 30 minutes already, but that's fine. I can always do a replay. So yeah, that's all for now. I will see you guys when there's something interesting to talk about. It's the last week of work and I am so excited. I'm just going to go through this week as quick as I can, as intentional as I can, and yeah, be done with it and start thinking of the fun things I'm going to get up to. So if you have not subscribed, this is a good time to subscribe, because yeah, we will be touring some parts of Queensland together. Yeah, quick one, just get in the comment section, where do you think I will be going on holiday? It's still in Australia obviously, but yeah, let me know what part of Australia you think I'm going to explore this time, and I am so excited. Make sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I have planned a lot of activities, well, not completely, but I'm also thinking of more things to add, so it's going to be very exciting on the channel. So this is a good time to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, see you guys in a bit.
3 weeks later.
I like the sunshine.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel.